Real talk lang, bakit kaya may mga tao na kahit alam nilang may jowa na yung isa, susubok pa rin sila? Na para bang nagkikrave sila ng something na meron yung
Clueless sa human
para bang
nature.
ikamamatay nila pag naghanap sila ng ibang jowa.
Now, masyado tayong nakafocus sa what should or what is ought instead of checking out first what is. Ano yung current, ano yung realidad na meron tayo ngayon. Now, when it comes to that kind of explanation, bakit ginagawa ng isang tao yung ganyang bagay, is we could attribute a lot. Really, maraming rason kung bakit nila ginagawa yan. But the reasons why they are unknown is because these types of influencers do not actually have an idea, or maybe ayaw nilang tanggapin yung dahilan kung bakit nila ginagawa or bakit ginagawa ng maraming tao yung ganong bagay. Bakit kaya? Kasi masisira yung image nila for being an advocate kuno ng isang healthy relationship, ng isang long-lasting love. Well, kasi madaling gamitin yung image na you are pro sanctity, pro life, pro whatever kabutihang asal you are trying to portray here sa social media, but that does not represent what is true for everyone. Maybe for you it will be true. Kasi sabihin na natin sa ngayon na kaya mong tiisin yung mga bagay na natitiis mo pa, but time is going to be of the essence. Sabi ni Mark Twain, there is something about the forbidden that makes it unspeakably desirable. There's something about the forbidden that makes it unspeakably desirable. Yung mga taong gumagawa ng ganyang klaseng activities, most likely they do not have a clue kung bakit nila ginagawa yan, because, well, for one, hindi pa nila na-examine yung mga sarili nila. Hindi nila alam yung mga previous event that would lead towards that kind of growth ng shadow hanggang sa mag-take over na yung sexual shadow nila, and then there you have it. It will result to infidelity. But you could actually try to understand your shadow. Of course, para maintindihan mo yung shadow mo, you need not to moralize kung ano man yung nasa loob ng shadow. By the way, shadow is everything that you hate and you wish that you are not. So what happens is, you try to push it at the back of your head, trinay mong ilibing, and akala mo mamamatay or mawawala siya, but no. It is growing at the back of your head and just waiting for the right time, moment, para i-express niya yung sarili niya. Kaya pansinin nyo yung mga social media influencer that are discussing about relationship, love, so on and so forth. Pansinin nyo, sila yung madalas na walang relasyon na tumatagal. Palit ng palit. But of course, they know what to say sa harap ng mga audience nila. Kasi alam nila yung gustong marinig ng audience nila or ng mga followers nila. Gusto nilang marinig na, ito yung fantasy ko. So, I will share it to them kasi ang sarap pakinggan, ang sarap babaran. But it does not necessarily mean it's true. Yes, masarap siya pakinggan, masarap yung idea, but it does not necessarily mean it is true. And it will hold some water. But nonetheless, di ba, every time that babalik sa kanila yung mga pinagtututuro nilang mali about relationship, about truth, they would just put up another excuses on why it didn't happen. Diba? Natatawa na lang ako sa mga ibang influencer eh. Pag magkakaroon sila ng jowa, todo po sila, bla bla bla, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Ganito kasi ang pagmamahal. Ito gawin nyo para tumagal kayo. Yung after ilang months, nagkasawaan sila, nag-break, wala kang maririnig sa kanila. Well, ang maririnig mo lang is puro paawa, puro pa effect na kesyo sila yung may kasalanan eh. Hindi na ako masaya eh. Sila kasi hindi na marunong magpasaya eh. 'Di ba? But ang realidad doon, para silang black hole. Para silang well na bottomless or na may bottomless pit. Sila mismo hindi nila alam kung paano pupunuan yung mga sarili nila. Tapos ipupunta nila sa mga yung responsibilidad sa partner nila para punuan yung sarili nila. Eh di mauubos yung partner mo. And the complications will come after that. Now, if you're not going to accept that that is what is happening, then you have a long way of repairing whatever relationship you do have. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.